Let's do some reading together. Do you recognize any of these pictures? Yeah, I have a pumpkin, crust, sprint, that's like running really fast, and frost. What does this say? Crust. That's right, so we'll put it with the crust. And what about this? What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. Pumpkin. 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 So we'll put it with the pumpkin. What does this say? Frost. So we'll put it with the frost. And what does this say? Sprint. 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 So you read pumpkin, crust, sprint, and frost. Let's try with some different pictures. What pictures do I have now? Yeah, stilts, blimp, plant, and traffic. Lots of cars together like that is called traffic. What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. Blimp. Blimp. So we'll put it with the picture of the blimp. What does this say? Traffic. So we'll put it with the picture of the traffic. And what does this say? Plant. 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 So we'll put it with the picture of the plant. And what does this say? Stilts. So we'll put it with the picture of the stilts. So you read the words stilts, blimp, plant, and traffic. Thanks so much for coming to read with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.